Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I have my little Good Grief sweatshirt on for the occasion. I'm getting ready for work, but I wanted to show you something I do that makes me look a little bit more awake. And I've talked about it in a class, but it was a while ago. Blue eyeliner and blue mascara. And I'm not just talking like blue, I'm talking like a little bit of a bright blue. So if you ever feel like a little bit tired and you want to look a little bit more awake, try some blue. I already put a little blue eyeliner on the bottom, but I decided that I wanted to show you. So I'm just putting it on my upper and lower waterline. I mean, you already see how that makes my eye pop. Then I'm gonna add some blue mascara. This is the Voluminous that I love so much, but it comes in blue. It's specifically called Cobalt Blue. Just so fun. And I know that this can look a little bit like, whoa, I don't want to do that, but it really just kind of blends in and it just kind of draws the attention to the eye and kind of opens it up. And that's what I love about it. Now, if you were going to wear no lashes, I would suggest putting on regular black mascara first, letting that dry, and then adding some blue mascara just to the portion of your lashes closest to the lash line. You don't need to bring it all the way up, just start at the base of your lashes and kind of work it out, but you don't need to cover your whole eyes. But since I do have lashes on and my lashes, I've been putting mascara on them every day. It already has black underneath it, so I'm able to put the lashes on and just add some blue and go like that. Well, it's happening. I'm getting gas for the first time. I could make it another day if I was just going home, but I'm not just going home. I have to go run errands and go to Costco and all that stuff. So just want to make sure that I make it everywhere. But I'm just saying I could. I'm just saying I could. I just don't want to chance it. Getting gas, first time in 4 weeks and 3 days, 2 days? Crazy. My baby's first time getting gas. Oh my gosh, just filling up. Okay, so that was $40.36. That is way cheaper than it normally is to fill up my car. What I was driving anyway, so I'm interested to see what goes on here. 526 miles. Crazy. That's so crazy. As you can see, I only had 4 miles left of full electric, so that's why I decided to get gas. I was down to 21 miles, so I probably could have just made it, but I just didn't want to risk it, you know? Got too much to do. It's Christmas time. I just stopped in the Target real quick because I'm out of my Physicians Formula translucent powder, and I need my mascara, which is Voluminous Carbon Black. Oh yeah. Well, that is a first. I went to Target and got only what I needed. I've never done that before. So I just wanted to share a little bit. I'm getting ready for Christmas brunch. We are hosting it here with my family and some of Matt's family, and I had to get a little bit creative. So I have our tall high top table, which we really couldn't move. It's raining outside, and we just were really trying not to move it. So I thought of this fun idea. So I just kept it here. I didn't put the leaf in, just kept it small. And then I added a 6-foot table to the end of it. And I actually think it looks pretty cool. It's I'm not mad at it, you know what I mean? It's super cute. And I also wanted to show you the napkins that I'm doing, little Christmas trees. So I thought I'd show you how I'm folding those. So just in case you want to change up your napkin design to the little Christmas tree on your Christmas breakfast or dinner or whatever it is, because you still have time to change up the napkin. It's not that hard. Let me show you how we're going to do this little napkin here. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And just start folding it up. To flip it over. Fold it over so it touches the other side. Makes a little triangle. Then flip. And just flip up these little edges. And then tuck them after the top one. And then you take that very bottom one and tuck it up in. Is that not the cutest little thing? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. Officially done wrapping presents. I'm gonna That's a wrap, if you will. Oh man. Merry Christmas. And one last little thing. I filled my trash bag and I had a little excess trash too, because it didn't fit in the bag. But it was definitely helpful.